Hi guys, let's look at the first Bollinger Band based strategy. Basically, this is second strategy. The first strategy was pair trading one. So this strategy actually makes a good money if you can just master this pattern or this strategy. Things would be very easier for us. So this strategy is called Bollinger Band squeeze strategy, where in an intraday basis also we can take trade, or else we can even take positional trades, and this is like very effective trades. There is a lot of detailing to it, but let me just give you a glimpse about it. First is like, as we know the market, as per our market structure video, how the market moves. So market moves in contraction and expansion as per Wyckoff logic also. Basically in this thing, what happened is like the market is actually consolidating. That is like someone is accumulating or distributing, and then it gave a breakout. So this would be our stop loss, and our target should basically be 1:3, but Bollinger Band has a edge where sometimes it gives 1:10 targets also. So not to miss out 1:10 targets, we should trial our stop loss. And let's see this in charts. So this is happiest mind chart. So let's see the entry thing. When the stock is going up, we should be very careful. Like when there is a contraction, that's where we should be looking at. When the contraction becomes very small and it completely is in a very small range, when it breaks, the bottom of this would be our stop loss, and we should just follow the band, and maybe the 20-day SMA can be our stop loss as and when things go. Or else some conservative people, what we do is like we try to trail stop loss as per single candlestick, but that isn't advisable because we have a chance of the stop loss getting hit. So once our system says that entry is here, stop loss is here, let's wait for it to just perform a little, then just trail your stop loss to the profit area so the trade becomes free. Once the trade becomes free, look for other charts, and maybe if at all the trade wants us to give money, it will give a good money, and the 20-day, then after a while when there is a good profit in the table, always try to follow, like always try to trail your stop loss to the 20-day simple moving average. So by this we never lose money. So again what happened is like again the expansion happened, market goes in, like even this would be a microsecond, there could be an expansion and contraction played out here. So what happened here is like expansion happened, then again contraction is happening. When the contraction is happening, so we need to now watch out the market because our potential entry would be somewhere here. So once this happened, it triggered a short entry, but it didn't give an entry. That's like the next candle didn't broke out down. It came in, and then again it gave a very good signal. So this is where we should put our line. Already this would be one strategy, this would be one strategy, but because we are looking at squeeze strategy, let's see when the squeeze happen, we should wait for it, and here would be our entry, this would be our stop loss, and as and when the trade goes in our favor, that is like basically this would be our exit also, because as per our 20-day SMA we should have exited here and re-entered here, and when we re-entered this time we should again keep our stop loss here, and it would have given a good target not only on an intraday basis but on the next day also, but the stop loss got triggered somewhere here. So again expansion, contraction, breakout, stop loss. Please respect stop loss because stop loss is the only thing which will save us. So let's see this in other charts. This usually happens every time. That is like contraction, expansion, contraction. Price moves in this way. We can see this, like this is Root Mobile, right? Root Mobile also, if we see contraction, expansion, contraction, expansion. So understand this concept. This happens in almost all the charts. I have taken some recent example just for the sake of this, and maybe don't try in Nifty 50, though it should basically work, but the thing is Nifty 50 and FNO scripts are basically rigged to an extent. They give all the false entry. Maybe Nifty 500 stocks will show this pattern a lot. So try in Nifty 500, you will get a lot of entries, and extent we will even make a very good money in this kind of strategies. That is like try in a different time frame. All stock has its own time frame. Some works in daily time frame, some works in hourly time frame, some works in different time frame. Just find it, and once you find this contraction, always take an entry and don't be afraid of giving away stop losses. as we saw, Happiest Mind is a very good company. So just hunt for this kind of patterns. Basically, if it is a trending stock, it should consolidate and again go trending on the same direction. Volume should be our supporting factor. Keep an eye on volume. So thank you guys. If at all you have any doubt, you can drop in comments. Also, if you find some stock which has done this accumulating or which is in this phase, you can always drop in the comments.